Own your land. Mount Shadows RV Resort age qualified 55 plus senior community. 1 bedroom possible 2 bedrooms currently used as a family room 1 bathroom. Covered carport and storage shed with washer and dryer hookups. Move-in ready and fully furnished shows beautifully. Low maintenance landscaping. The facilities have 2 clubhouses with many activities to choose from: pool, spas, banquet room, indoor and outdoor kitchens, library, card room, craft room, billiard room, shuffleboard, gym exercise room, laundry facilities, barbecue and picnic area, horseshoe pits. Close to shopping, doctors, restaurants, great for commuting to Temecula, Palm Springs, Idyllwild, mountains, and beaches. Low HOA fees $200.